I recently started using ChatGPT for wick tracking, and the advice has been spot on. It even keeps a running list for me, what works, what doesn't, and every adjustment along the way. Here's how to use it. Input your wax type, the jars you use with their diameters, how many wicks each jar takes, and your wick brand. Mine is already saved. Then, anytime you need a recommendation, just tell ChatGPT the wax and the fragrance company, and it will give you a list of wicks to test. Once you find a setup that works, share the results and it will automatically record it in your wick tracker. Let's walk through another example using a fragrance I've never tested before. All of my basic information is already saved, so all I need to add is the fragrance name and the supplier. As you can see from this example, Chat gives me recommendations for each jar size I use. Once I actually test a fragrance, I come back and input the final result, and it gets added to my running list called Wick Tracker. Chat isn't perfect, so if something seems off, run it a few times and only save the results that match your real-world burn tests. Questions? Drop them below, and I'll see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.